Hi everyone and welcome to World of Mike. Just move that over there, sorry I didn't know that was in camera. Just my choices. Here we have the issue number 25 of the Country Bird Collection brought to you by Eaglemoss the Skylark. And my first impressions of this is it looks a very scary looking bird. Because as you can see here, the first thing I notice is it's quite, perked up. It's quite, on guard sort of thing, really cool. This is very detailed. You've got what looks to be some sort of, I would say, meadow sort of thing going there. It's almost like his tail is stuck onto this part here. You've got this lovely green leaf, but what's so cute is if you look there, not only do we get a bird, we get a ladybug as well. How cool is that? Then we get the very nice shade this character is actually, because you've got light brown mingling in there, and it's sort of blended in with this lovely cream colour going up, and it's got what looks to be some sort of crest going on there. But overall, it's a lovely bird there. The reason why I wanted to do this collection is because I'm part of the RSPB, the Royal Society for the Prevention, the Royal Society, RSPB, the Royal Society for the Protection of Birds, I think it's called. And part of the things we do is that we get a sheet that comes through and it says Birdwatch, so you tick off basically all the birds that you can see on the survey and then you send it back. And I've always been fascinated with birds and budgies and that sort of thing. We have a budgie called Snowy, so yeah, overall it's a lovely bird. That is issue number 25, the Skylark. I hope you like that video. Coming next month we've got more of the bird collection, and this one is a really good one, so I hope you like that. Take care, bye bye.